रागादिरोगान् सततानुसक्तान् अशेषकायः प्रसृतान् शेषान् औत्सुक्य मोहारतिजान् जङ्घान् यो पूर्ववैद्याय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै यो पूर्ववैद्याय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै. Good morning, friends.
Good morning, sir.
Let me welcome you all on this very new webinar about pulse diagnosis for diagnosing and treatment of Manas Roga. This is an absolute novel idea. Pulse Diagnosis Training and Research Center Mumbai is a 6-year-old institution which is involved in not only training but research in the pulse diagnosis, and one of the aspect of interacting with every single person who is doing any kind of pulse diagnosis technique in India and abroad. In this idea, today we have our expert, Dr. Joseph K.C. He is from Chikmagalur district of Karnataka and is Chief Medical Officer of Nityadhara Mutt Clinic. Besides his basic qualification in Ayurveda, he has many more feathers in his cap. CCH, CGO, PG Diploma in Sexuality and Sexual Counseling. He is a Marmagyani, acupuncturist, dawn therapist, Nadi diagnosis and treatment experts. He has developed many formulations of his own for the therapeutic uses. This lecture, what we are going to conduct today, is an introductory lecture for the course Pulse Diagnosis Training and Research Center, Mumbai, is planning to conduct with him from 17th of this month. When I heard him for the first time, he was sounding astonishing, and the understanding of the pulse what he has developed is a fantastic one, because he has never been trained by any Nadi Vaidya so far. He has developed his own set of skills of understanding the patients through the pulse, and that too in the specialty of the psychological disorders, Manas Roga. So I have requested him to be with all of us, where everybody who has learned some amount of pulse diagnosis with me can be enlightened with his knowledge and can use that particular part in their practice. It will be an add-on skills. So may I request Dr. Joseph to take over and enlighten us on this very topic of pulse diagnosis in Manas Roga, diagnosis and therapeutic uses. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Joseph, sir, please.
Yes. Okay, sir. Thank you so much for the beautiful introduction that you have given. Actually, when we are human beings, we have to share our knowledge with our colleagues, friends, each and everyone. See, why I appreciate Dr. Sanjay is the thing, because he only called me by seeing my lecture in Zoom when I have given a introductory lecture to the Pampa. So I really, he's a great personality. Still, he has a humble, kind heart to call, and he needs to learn more and more about little and detail. I really congratulate him for this innovative idea for clubbing up the things. And when we people will put on the knowledge, because the knowledge is spread each and every place. So when we club up, then only we will be getting the more powerful way. See, as we see in allopathy medicine, they whatever the research they will be doing, they will club up and they will publish. So what we are doing? So actually, we are so-called Ayurveda doctors, and what our father of surgery is Sushruta. So, but still, the bad thing is that we do not know much about surgery, because, telling keeping it as a secrecy, like a gaupyata. So we should not spread. So in the time of Buddhism, it was also suppressed. That is another issue. But still, if at all, if we are not developing or we are not sharing our ideas, thoughts, that the system will deplete. So for example, in a family, if you are quarrel in like family members itself, that family will start depleting. In the same way, we Ayurvedic doctors, and also like I would like to tell all the citizens of India and all over the world that the importance of Nadi and why we have to learn and study much and much deeper about the Nadi, because it's a self-realization of ourselves. In these days, what is happening means, so we are showing that I am correct, you are incorrect. So that's the problem. That's where the problem starts actually. So we are not analyzing ourselves. Where are we? What are our thoughts? Where our thoughts are correct. So how thoughts are affecting our body. So all things about it, I will be going to explain. So this will be very much useful for each and every person all over the India, and not only India, all over the world. Because my lecture, I want to emphasize that one thing, that is the thought process in our mind will control our brain. And when our brain, as it is, you know that it's controlling our heart, liver, kidney, each and everything, a single thought of negative impression starts what? We start diseased. So there will be impairment of doshas. So that's, I will be explaining how it is possible. So now, shall we start the program? 1 minute.
Please continue, doctor.
Okay. So the thing is that so are you able to see the slides?
Yeah,
now?
we are able to see you.
Okay.
You can
Slides.
just go on for slideshow.
Okay.
Start with the slideshow.
Yeah, sure, sir. So are you able to see the screen?
Fine. Yes.
Okay. So coming to the concept of Nadi. So it was evolved from good olden days to understand he is dead or not, when the inquisitive human brain understood that each Nadi differ from one another. They understood that if family members are having the same Nadi, so the concept of Duta Nadi developed. So it's very interesting that. So recently I have demonstrated this Duta Nadi. So a husband and wife came to me. Actually, wife is a patient. So I asked her to stay outside, and asked husband to sit over here. And when I saw his Nadi, I was able to explain what are all the psychological process and what are all the disease she might suffer from, and what is she suffering. So how it is possible? So in olden days, what it is to happen means, so as we are we'll be having car, transportation, flight, each and everything. But at that time, they did not had all such transportation facilities. So the Duta, that is who is the caretaking of the patient, used to come to the doctor and used to explain. So whether he may not be able to explain in his language, or doctor may not understand his language. So what he used to do, he used to feel the pulse and understand, and he used to give. That's what called Dutanadi. So what actually happens means, see, so when the bystander sees the patient suffering, or his maybe wife, relatives, husband, children, or anyone it may be, so they get attached to them. Okay, so whatever they feel, they starts also feeling the same psychological process. So in the same way, I had got one more patient a few days back. He was complaining of insomnia and backache pain. So when I have studied his nadi and I've asked, so you have got since 8 months, you are suffering with lot of problem, depression, a loneliness. What made you to do so? Think so? What is happening within you? So at that time, he told me, yes, doctor. So actually, my own brother, I have treated him. I have been in a hospital for about 6 months. He was had a injury, burn. So maggot formation was there. And actually, the saddest thing is that his wife left him in between. So he was in a mentally depressed. Whatever the depression his brother has experienced, so he was not able to tell any confidence to him. So that's why he was able to suffer the same psychological process. So whenever he is not telling about the actual problem, he was telling that, like, I feel very much afraid in between if I get up. So likewise, very irritant. Likewise, so when I understood that that is because of this psychological effect, then I was able to counsel him and give Sattvavajaya Chikitsa, so that he was able to come out of it. Yesterday, one patient came to me telling that, doctor, I have got severe backache and I'm not able to, whatever, if I am taking food, I'm vomiting since 1 week. What to do? So I have seen the nadi and I have asked him, see, 6 months back, something, a depressive event, something very much sad thing happened. What it is? So then he explained, yeah, my mother expired. So what, I'm not able to come out of it. So what I have told him that to it was a suicide. So he was not able to come out of these things. So I have counseled him, see, if you keep on worrying about the same thing, there's a way that I will be explaining you the Sattva Jaya Chikitsa in coming future class, or if possible, I will be explaining a glimpse of it. So how to make within 5 to 10 minutes his Sattva a beautiful thing. So when he's low of mind, see, beautiful. One more example I will give you. So you take your favorite dish in front of you, okay, beautiful biryani or whatever the dishes, whatever you like to eat, and you'll be getting a phone call telling your some relatives or nearest friend has died. So will you be able to eat that food? So immediately you will be hungry. Your beautiful food, you will not be able to leave that food. So in that way also, what happens? So mind is controlling us. So you know that we are being controlled by brain, that is heart, kidney, liver, each and everything is controlled by brain, but the thought is controlling that brain. That is a beauty. See, when the lion comes in front of you, what will happen? So you will get afraid, heartbeat will increase, BP will increase, there is much amount of glucose will be liberated into the blood. So fight or flight. So you will be able to fight, or you will be able to run. So the person who was not able to walk for a 500 meters, he will be able to run up to 2 to 3 kilometers. So where that energy has come, that is just by a thought. So what happens in most of the disease? No, all the disease, what will happen? So the continuous stress to the mind will liberate much of increase the BP, increase the heart rate, increase the sugar level, and henceforth you know that what happens in sugar. So we tell that diabetes mellitus, it's because of stress, tension. Okay, it has been induced. So now we understood how it has been induced by the stress. So whenever there is a stress agent continuously, the mind thinks, oh, there is a danger. So it keeps on increasing the glucose level in the blood. So that pathological process, when it keeps on continuing for days and months, so the actual disease, the pathology starts. So now most of you have experienced one more thing. Like if you are milking a cow, just imagine you are milking a cow. So who is the enemy of cow? That is maybe, so it has got different enemies. Like some cows are more afraid of children's, some cows are afraid of dogs, and it could be anything. So if a dogs come and stand in front of the cow, you will not be able to milk the cow because it's very much frightened. It's not looking over its calf. So it's all the concentration is towards the dog, whether it comes and whether it will attack my child or calf. So that is what the intention. So it is not able to look after the calf. It used to nurture, or it will lick the calf. All the things will not happen. So in the same way, if any people, if you are having angry with anyone, for that example, what will happen? Our intention will be, oh, he might do something to me, he might harm me. Okay, while sleeping also we'll have, oh, he might attack me some time or the other. So each and every time that jealous, that kama, krodha, mada, matsarya, it's irritating us, it's screwing us each and every time. So we are not able to concentrate what the process that is taking place in the body. So you remove the dog outside. So what happened? So when you removed that, baya of the cow went, so it was able to nurture or lick the calf nicely, and it gave milk also to you. In the same way, when we are having the angry, frustration, whatever the things, our manas will deviate in all the things which we are worried about. And what happens later on? So our manas is not taking care of our body. So what is happening here, and how the repair has to be done for the disc? So it is not worried about anything. So it's just only worried about the anger, jealous, or kama, krodha, all those things. So what happens usually when a thought process comes? See, what is there? I am just depressed, so I feel like I want to get living in this world at all. If a thought process, it goes into your mind, and if you start thinking over that, what will happen means, see, the negative feeling will conquer our brain, and it tells the autonomic nervous system that, see, anyhow I am going to die. See, what's the use of you keep my nourishing my body very strong and healthy? Why you are doing that? So please cut down. So absorption, assimilation will go off. Initially the person will start less appetite, might feel gastric in case of anger, so no appetite at all. So bloating of abdomen is seen in the depression. So each and every thought waves, that is a wave, I call it as a wave. So each and every wave will have an impact, okay, on our mind. So that wave will have an impact over the our body to a specific organs. So that which could be dealt in a future class in deeply. So you have to understand only this much. What? See, whenever a patient comes, we have to analyze his manas or whatever it may be. See, I am not telling about only for doctors. So in this group, most of software engineers, MBBS doctors, and planters, students, okay, and many persons from different professions are there. So let me not go very deep into it, but still I will be giving a very beautiful explanation how the manas works to the wave. So as you know that, coming to the point, the Duta Nadi, likewise it was developed. So by seeing the Duta Nadi, you will be able to understand the patient manas as well as the bystanders manas, and also the full family, how they are actually, how whether they are in a synchronized, other they are in a harmony. For those who are doing a psychological family counseling and all, so it's very easy tool for them to analyze each and every one. See, if I am telling to a person that, see, you have to change, should not drink, you should not do all the bad things, no, they will not agree, because their conscious mind will not entertain all those ideas, because that conscious brain is very much greedy of all the worldly pleasures. So it needs satisfaction. Whenever they need they want to drink, they want to smoke, they get short satisfaction. So the manas is more oriented to it. So it does not allow all the positive ideas to enter into our subconscious level of mind. Subconscious level of mind is something like a child. Whatever you tell, it listens and it does likewise only. Understood? So conscious brain will reject all your comments. No sir, I will not drink. Okay, fine, thank you. Likewise, conscious brain will reject each and everything. Why nadi? Nadi is a key to enter the room of subconscious level of mind. So it will be very easy. Within 5 to 10 minutes your job will be done. Within 5 to 10 minutes a session will be like closed. Need not waste 1 hour, 2, 3 hours like telling him, counseling him, bringing insight to him. So it's something like that. Without their knowledge, you will be able to understand his psychological process which is running inside his brain. So subconscious level of mind will be in a shock. Yes, hey, who is this person telling about me, which I am doing in a 4 walls where no one is knowing about me, what the mistakes what I have doing, when what the thoughts are coming to me. How is able to recognize and to interrupt all those things? So subconscious level of mind, now it is alert. So at this time what will happen, whatever the command, the positive ways, positive thoughts if you are giving, it will directly imbibe into the subconscious level without it surpassing the conscious brain. So yesterday one patient, she had come to me. She's a staff nurse and OT tech, like, she used to work very vigorously and very senior sister, and now she's retired. So she came to me and telling that I have got disc prolapse and have consulted many doctors. So it's not getting through. So what to do? Somehow suggested your name and like your patient only took me here. So I just gone through her nadi and I told her, see, 6 months back there was some incidents. Yeah. After that, she like, when I told all the things that which is happening inside her, so she was like literally she was crying in that stage. So actually when she told her past life, before 20 years this back pain started. So when she went to an all India tour, so almost it went off and it came almost after my retirement life. So what it means, so at that scanning was done at that time telling that she had a disc prolapse. So what is the pretty thing in this, that after 5 months only she started developing this severe backache pain. So what do you understand by this? So the disease is present when she was happy and she was very much like, happy mood. So each and everything, happy hormones, adrenaline, corticosteroids released, and that healed her. So again what happened, because of her like, personal problem, because like I don't ask what is their personal problem, like, if they are telling, let them tell, but I will tell only the thought process of to them. Because if we start on digging that process, then we also will get affected by it. So henceforth I don't dig out the actual personal problems. Okay, so it takes like, much time. So we do not have that much time, that much patience to listen all those, because patient will be there. So we have to counseling and we have to see next patient. So that only the thing is that we have to give the last gist of the thing. Okay, so what happened? So she is worried about something, so that made her too depressed. So when she started her negative mind, and the disease started. So when I asked, like when I was keeping her giving the Sattva Jai Chikitsa, she was telling that, sir, how it is possible to forget all those things? So then it was like in a tough time for me to incorporate all the techniques, okay, which you will be learning in Sattva Jai Chikitsa. It's a like big and broader aspect of giving and boosting her mindset. So we will be learning in future classes. Okay, so the one thing that I wanted to tell you is that manas is the basic root cause. Has the Dr. Sanjay sir, like, there was a prarthana, ragadi rogan satata anushaktan ashesha kaya prasurutanusheshan outsukya moha aratitan dhanjadana yo apura vaidyaha namos tasmai. So what does it mean? Each and every disease starts with the manas, kama krodha mada matsarya. Okay, the Vaidya, the famous Vaidya, the greatest physician who is able to remove all those things from the mind, I am saluting, oh my dear God, because only you are able to remove or totally deroot from the base. So after that only our all the acharyas started to speak about the rogas. Now, coming to the point, see what happens. Who is the famous physician? Who is the why we are telling that God can only remove these things? Because no medicine, no lepa, no injection, no syrup in this world can remove the manasika dosha. That is, like if you are angry with someone, what medicine makes you to forget him? Is it possible for a medicine? So only it is told that the God only for the God it is able to remove. So what is the part of the physician then? So Vaidyo Narayano Hari. So it has been told that so doctors are equivalent to God in which aspect? In aspect of Danani Anekani Santi Bitebescha Abhedanam Paramekam Na Vidyate. What does it mean? So if a person comes like doctor, I am having a snake bite poison, so what to do? I'm afraid, I'm getting shivering, not possible. So when you are a doctor and you tell that you take this medicine, fine, within half an hour you will be okay and you can go home. When you give this assurance, what will happen? Yes, and he will be okay, fine, no problem. Okay, anyhow I will be like going through within half an hour, everything will be detoxified. So as I'm in Vishay Vaidya and I have got a paramparika, my grandfather was a Vishavaidya and my relative have learned, and from that from him I am learned from that vidya. So I have seen many cases when we give that assurance itself, they will be 60-70% okay, and after half an hour anyhow like their mindset is something like that, they will be okay. So that is a vishahara. So mindset, the boosting up the mind itself is the medicine for most of the disease. No, for all the disease. Don't worry, you will be okay. Giving that assurance. If you are giving that assurance, dhanani anekane sati, I told, of all the danas, maybe you will be giving another annadana or money, or it could be anything. But for a person who is afraid, to tell him, don't afraid, I am with you. This assurance itself is the greatest dhana of the world. So henceforth, as we are physicians, not only physicians, so it could be anyone who is watching to this whole world. I am telling the thing is that, so it could be your friend, it could be your relative, your wife, your children. Don't afraid, I am there. So when a daughter comes crying, Papa, I have just failed in my 10th. Hey, what? You have failed. That this start scolding. Hey, don't worry, man. See, this is not everything. So even Bill Gates and many such peoples, and Albert Einstein even, he was kicked out of the school, and they are the most brilliant people and more rich people in the world. So why do you worry about that? You have failed in the 10th exam. Why don't you try in some other way? Because you are a good dancer, so you have got beautiful chance over that. When you give and boost up with them, so what will happen? And she will be happy, and she will more concentrate to the talent what she is having. So most of the people, you can hear the 10th standard people getting having suicide, and many IAS competence for those who attempt for 2-3 times, and they work and work. When they fail, they take a rope and suicide. What is the meaning? So they think that only this much. So they have an environment. They are like having the pressure cooker like suffocation within them. So only that ideas. See, when we leave our mind freely, when you give assurance to the surrounding people, don't worry, I am there with you. So that itself is the greatest treatment, and that itself is the greatest thing that you are going to do to your friends, family, and each and every one. So next coming to, so when one is ill in the family, that vibration is passed to all the family members who take care of them and those who love them. So usually what happens, if anyone is ill in my family itself, okay, what happens? So the concept, the ideas that I am having, so that will not work. So I will also be having some thoughts of why it could be like, so about 2-3 minutes I will think over myself why it is happening. So then I understood. So when the loved ones, the dearest and nearest ones will suffering, it will affect us, even though we are the so-called big doctor. So this vibration 100% you will pass. If how much sattva you are having also, it will be affected in one part or the other part. So only I am telling that Duta Nadi is very, very much practical. Just start seeing the bystanders Nadi and the patient Nadi, then you will be able to appreciate in many ways. So that is the beauty. So when you give the Sattva Jaya Chikitsa to the patient, the bystander may be having some other disease also, that will also go. So the thing is that, see, when we give assurance, one of the patient recently, he came severe back pain and stomach pain. So I have checked him and give some Sattva Jaya Chikitsa and medicines also. And after 1 week, he came to me telling that, doctor, after you give the talking with you by your touch, so after going home, I did not feel that back pain and stomach pain at all. So medicine I have kept like that. So I did not take. What to do, doctor? Okay, nothing to worry. Okay. So that thing is that when you interact with the patient, so when you give the mana bala, so things are very easy to get resolved. So that's what. So like, what will happen? So most of the people, I'm severe back pain, give injections, or the most powerful, what we think is, no, the most powerful painkillers are like, Shallaki, Gugulu, or Nirgundi, Kap, all the things we think. Okay. And morphine, diclofenac, whatever it may be. So we think that they are the powerful painkiller. So you fail to understand that manas have the most powerful painkiller in the world. So there was an experiment made in a university abroad. So where they took 100 cancer patient, and they gave morphine and told that this is a simple injection. Okay, this is a simple injection to increase your stamina. That's it. So no patient told that they got rid of their pain after half an hour. And after a few days, the same patients were given a simple placebo, just distilled water injection, and doctor told that, oh, this is morphine, and within half an hour all the pain will go off. And he told, and give distilled water, IV. So what happened? Within half an hour, all the 100 patient was telling that they are very much happy that, sir, no pain at all. What a wonderful drug it is. They was very much happy. So doctor was confused. Hey, what is happening in this? So morphine, also the most powerful painkiller so-called in the world, is not working. How it is possible? So they took an MRI, CT, and after that the experiment was continued in a next event also. They understood that there is a pain gateway. So pain gateway, when the patient mentally took
Dr. Joseph, it seems that we have lost your connection. It seems that we have lost the connectivity with Dr. Joseph. He will be soon joining. Yeah. Must have been disconnected somehow. So he is rejoining. Please bear with us. He is going very great. And he is explaining how the mind is related to everything. Dr. Joseph, please continue. You are going very well.
hello sir, are
Please,
you able
please
to?
continue. Yeah, you are able to hear you. Now you can share.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, now it's okay, no sir?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, fine. Sorry for the interruption. Okay, coming to next thing. Okay, so understanding through, understanding the waves. If you're thinking negatively or positively or suicidal thought, all will be having particular wavelength, and it pass into the brain, from there to neurons, and that particular wave are passes the information to the particular area of the brain, and from there it moves to the body organs and gives command accordingly. So I have told. So the example is Bhishma. So you know the Bhishma. So he is having the Ichamarani. So whenever he thinks that I want to die, then only he will die. In the same way, we all have that thing, that vara within us, but we are making ourselves disease. We are making ourselves for like, death movement. See why? Because whenever we will have the negative thoughts within us, that will start degradation of our cells. That starts the blockage. That starts the low appetite. That starts absorption and assimilation will be decreased. From there, the neurons will not be having sufficient nourishment. From there, it starts likewise, and leading to our self-fall. So even the Bhishma is a greatest example that he did not have the negative feeling. When he had a negative feeling, he will be able to leave his body. So that's what. So I wanted to tell you that should not have negative feelings. So Pancha Jnanendriya wave. So eye has got a wave. When you see a color and when you see a blue sky, you will be happy. Okay. In the same way, each and every wave have effect on your body. When you hear a music sound, Carnatic sound, it will be very pleasant for you. When you smell the beautiful rose or jasmine, you will be happy. So tongue, when you taste the sweet things, so you will feel happy. When you have a feathery touch, a beautiful massage, so that is, it's everything have a wave. And moreover, these wave, how to identify these waves in Nadi, will be dealing in next class. Okay, coming to next slide. So eyes, light wave. So you can see radio waves, microwave, infrared wave, and you can see in between visible light. The ultraviolet, X-ray and gamma rays you will not be able to see in your naked eyes. So what happens means, these, as you see the wave in the radio waves, it's very slow and steady. As you come to gamma rays, it's very haphazard. The wavelength is much high. Okay, so when we go to the our visible light, what happens means, so visible light is again divided into what, 7 colors. So which are those? So the having the visible light having the 400 mm to 700 mm of the wavelength. Okay, so coming to the wavelength of light, which is been I have written here. You can read violet having lowest wavelength, red have the highest wavelength. Okay, the energy of the violet color is more, red color is less. So visible spectrum. So visible spectrum is the portion of the electromagnetic spectrum that is visible to our human eye. The eyes can see up to 380 to 740 nanometer, frequency ranging from 405 to 790 hertz. We see sky has blue, has light scatters in air, where as starting point at the sun, where we see it as white. Light has its own, it is not scattered, white light, as it is not scattered. So all are possible by wavelength and frequency of light. Effect of light over us. We are not able to see low or high frequency light. So only continuous exposure to X-ray causes cancer. Exposing to infrared light causing heating up body, as in the physiotherapy. We use ultrasound in diagnostic methods, and continuous exposure is also dangerous to the body. As in solar eclipse and full moon, there could be possibility of gamma rays affecting us. Hence, they might have told to stay inside the home. Mood changes according to the light. Blue sky, that is marvelous to see. Mind get relaxed by seeing green plant fields, gives us immense pleasure. Orange, not much happy we feel. So many don't like this by its color. Yellow, most of the time we tell don't like. Maybe due to the advertisement, yellow, dirty fellow. Okay, Rajasika, because it is Rajasika in nature. Red is danger sign, has in ambulance, color of blood, sign of anger, signifies heat. So if you feel like bit uncomfortable, don't get romantic feeling also. So light plays an role in our life, tamasika nature. So light corresponds to mood and manas changes. Blue signifies sattvika thoughts, pure mind. Green, sattvika thoughts with rajasika, because when you see mountain, you feel to climb it. That is, you want to capture it. Yellow gives us an guilt feeling low esteem. Red, signs of danger. Even the bull also senses it get angry. Link between manas and object. When you see an object creating a wavelength, if manas like, when you see an object having certain wavelength, if manas likes manas, manas will travel to that object and feel and require that object to him. So as your child, as you in your childhood days, we used to catch butterfly for the fun, but as we grow up, we create liking for a few objects and aversion towards few. It is of two types: habituated, that is Brahmin, brought up with vegetarian, and other is acquired by some karma phala or influenced by surroundings, like she had brought a car, I also need that car. So understood? So what happens when we see a thing and we feel that we need it? So in childhood days, we, while we take the children to the shopping, papa, I need this car. So papa, I need that balloon also. Papa, I need all those things. Whatever it sees, so it tends to satisfy its need by asking each and everything. But if you give to your children, what will happen? Within few days, the car will be pieced, tire one side, its steering one side. So it will be absolutely destroyed. So what is happening here means, so if you go on for the to satisfy your manas, the deeds of manas, what will happen? You will have a depression. So most of the things, like I want to tell, like the money people or the so-called famous artists, film artists, like they will be having crores and crores of rupees. So they do not have any problem relating to the money, but still they get depressed, they get suicide thoughts, and some even have the suicide also. Most common example I give to my patient is that if you have got two options with you. One thing, so I will be giving a costly sweet, 1,000 rupees sweet imported from America, and one more hand, I will be giving you a bitter kashaya. It's very, 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 very bitter in taste. Okay, now you tell me which one will you opt? So that patient tells that usually most of the time they will tell, doctor, I need the sweet, which is very nice. Okay, then I have got a deal for you. Give your hand. So patient will give their hand and I will tell. Okay, so I will give 1 crore rupees check for you. Okay, what is the deal means? You have to stay in a bakery which is full of all the sweets. So you'll not be giving any rice, sambar, idli, chapati, nothing. So only sweets. Okay, now you have to stay for 1 year. Then I will be giving 1 crore plus all the food, every expense will be paid by me. So are you okay with that deal? Hey, no doctor. Within 1 or 2 days, we can sustain. But without more than that, it's not possible. Whenever we think of sweet, they will get aversion. In the same way, we have to thank God to give miseries. What is tikta? Tikta. You know that Ayurvedic doctors will know that tikta does the pitta shuddhi. Tatradyam maruttam danti. Trayadikta kafam. Kashaya tikta maduraha pitta manyutu kuruvete. That is kashaya rasa. Okay, astringent taste. Kashaya tikta, bitter taste. Kashaya tikta maduraha, sweet taste, will pacify the pitta. Now we understood. So we should thank God for having the tikta rasa also, because if you are only taking the madura rasa, you might have got the suicidal thoughts. You might have deceased by this time. So in the same way, when we take all such junk foods, what will happen? Most of the glucose level will be going for high in the bloodstream, and also cholesterol level will be deposition will be high. All the chances of getting heart attack is very much high. As the nutrition expert or glucose, like much of rice, so you should be like rasa. All the rasa should be there in your food. So that's what. Okay, so that's what it has been telling. Okay, next coming to, nor I like that boy or a girl, but I will not stay for long as days passes through after we use any thing much, we tend to lose interest later on. So relating to kama manas, when not controlled, can land up in prostitution, but still manas is not happy since it lost its interest after what it gets, and keep on trying to get happiness from it, but will fail. So whatever the things like, kama, krodha, mada, matsarya, if he like, if I feel that if I will get angry and I will scold him and he will be coming to a correct righteous path, it's not possible. So whenever it's not possible, you would increase your anger to a higher level, that he is still, if he is not responding to your angry, then you start getting depressed. So because anger will not help you in any way, so only Gandhiji or Jesus or Buddha, greatest personalities, have showed that Mother Teresa, the love is everything. By love only we can change a human person, but by anger or fighting, we will not get anything. So Manas also send message by waves. As you see, as you can't see ultrasound wave, in the same way, Manas also send wave, not seen but only felt. Manas can travel more faster than light. Hence, we see in the Reiki healing, doing the distant healing, and we feel the waves passing from hand, and the receivers of Reiki also receiving the waves in the same time and get healed up. As I practiced it, but anyhow, I am not at all encouraging anyone to learn it, as it is having its own side effect. But my intention was to tell you, Manas also travels faster than light in the form of waves. So actually, it was my experience. I usually used to see like treat with Reiki also, but when I understood like it is affecting my psychological mind, and my energy, my sattva bala is decreasing day by day. My family members used to tell that you are getting very angry nowadays. Why it's so? Because you are not so. So when I thought about it, so like, when we have to reach ourselves more and more. So just I wanted to tell you, only the thing is that Reiki, if I'm like giving a Reiki from here, that person might be in America also, feels the power energy. If he's having headache, backache, whatever it may be, within 5 to 10 minutes that will go. How it is possible to send the waves from here within 10 minutes? No, not even the supersonic jet can go as fast as this Manas, because the moment you start ting, he will feel the waves there. So Manas has that much speed. Okay, so not even like light also is that not that much speed of Manas. As we say, I will pray for you is equivalent of sending positive waves to you and for your betterment. You might see people doing mantra, mata mantra, by which spoiling other life, by which you will be sending negative waves. Those who like, Kuttichatan Vaidyan and most mata mantravadis are there all over the like, world. So what they are doing is that they are sending the negative waves to that person, particular person. That will also influence to that person also. As this universe is having all type of disease, but we are not affected by corona or TB. Why is it? So Manas has a wave. When we have a negative feeling, that is itself causing a disease. So disease is not coming from outside. Diseases are within us. We are the creator of disease. So if you have a wavelength that which compared to a diabetic patient, then what is the reasoning behind it? So your Manas made a wave such that you should create a diabetes. So only when you feel, then Adi, and we can tell that you are suffering from diabetes. How can we understand that you are suffering from all those things? Because the wavelength of diabetes, wavelength of each and every disease have the particular code. So equation of Manas and disease. The Manas and disease wavelength matches, then only it can enter us. But could be also Devesta, wish of God for betterment of us by Agni Shuddhi, as we do a Agni Shuddhi, but most of the time it will not happen. So most of the times, famous saints and personalities, they accept their miseries, and they still what will happen? They will not have a depressive thoughts in them. Okay, they will be happy. So it's very quite often it will not happen each and every time. So now you understood the waves of Manas is the waves of disease is same. So Manas acts such, Manas like Manas will be like giving a negative waves will create a disease. So now we shall derive a formula from where M, Manas. W means waves of Manas, D means disease, W1 means waves of disease. So MW is equal to DW1. So now you understood. So wave of Arishad Varga. So now you understood by the negative, that is Arishad Varga thoughts, we land up in the creating disease for us. So now let us see the different waves of Manas, Kama, towards worldly things. It is Tamasika Guna produces, as you see, red and yellow having Tamasika Guna, and their wavelength is more but reduced frequency and energy. So you see that like Vibgyor, violet has the low wavelength. So it is correspond to the Sattva Guna. So when you see the Nadi, the wavelength, it comes in this way. So you can see in the betterment, I used to teach my students, hold your hand in this way. So if you feel a depression over here, that is no nourishment to the dhatus. Okay, if you feel over here, okay, it's normal wave. It is, if you see over here, it's high wave. If you can see here, like not much Mali nourished has before. If you say here, okay, it's a bit lower, and you can see here, it's coming up, prognosis which is better, and here, like it's Bala is going down and down. So now let us see how to see the Nadi. Please come. So I will show you how to see the Nadi through with the demonstration. Please sit. So it should be in the heart level. So are you able to see? Okay. So now, so it should be in the chest level. So we have to hold hand in this way. So you should leave one finger from here, root of the thumb, and hold in this way. Okay. So what will happen? The feel the Nadi in 7 levels. So imagine this is a tube. This is a like tube. You are compressing this one in 7 levels: Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa, Meda, Asti, Majja, Shukra. 7 levels you are going to you are going to press and see how the waves are coming. If the waves are in this way, okay, this is normal. If this is the thing, so the dhatu is subnourished. And what will, like, if the waves are M shaped, as I have told, if you are feeling this part of the wave, what has happening? It is decreased. And when you feel a pinching wave behind, you will be having wave. That is M type of wave. So W type of wave in your hand means the organs is not getting proper nourishment. There could be a calculi, there could be a tumor. So in that way you have to infer. So coming here again, you have to feel Vata. You have to feel Vata here. And this is Pitta. You have to hold Pitta and 7 levels: Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa, Meda, Asti, Majja, Shukra. Compress. And this is Kapha. Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa, Meda, Asti, Majja, Shukra. In the same way, you have to see the other hand also. In the same way, you have to hold this one for the support. It should be in a chest level: Rasa, Rakta, and this is so the Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. In the same way, you have to compress each and every level, and you have to understand how the waves are coming, and you will be able to interrupt. Okay, thank you. So what happens, so what happens when you see the Nadi, when you understand, so which dhatu has not getting the poshana, it is something, it's very easy that you have learned that Kale Kapota Nyaya. When one field is when paddy field is filled with water, it goes to the next dhatu, and that is filled, it goes to other dhatu. So we have got 7 dhatu. So when we does not feel the Shukra Nadi and Majja Nadi, it means that that patient may not be having that much nourishment that is entering into the Shukra Nadi. So that person will be having loss of menstrual problem could be happening, infertility problem, or low sperm count. So all these significant things will be dealing very in coming slides or in next class also. So coming to next slide, relationship between color and dhatu. As I have told, no, Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa, Meda, Asti, Majja, Shukra. So you have got all the 7 colors. So 7 colors indicates the 7 dhatus. So if at all, if you understand that one dhatu is not working. So you give, like, if rasa is not occurring or he's not having appetite, so you can advise him color therapy. And before that, you have to give sattva-vajaya chikitse, and you can see, see the blue things or look up the sky. So it will influence him much better. So like I have modulated one criteria by rasa, by light, sound, and sparsha. Okay, all the 5 elements, taste, gandha. So it will be arranged in such a way that a beautiful chair with all the lights, frequency of light falling over the patient, has the Shed chakra also having the same. In the next slide, I will be showing that one also. The color has been influenced by the chakra also, and by giving the sound vibration, like each chakra has got its own mantra and akshara. By stimulating that, so if you are giving at that time sattva-vajaya chikitsa, it will be more useful and more better way we will be able to tackle in any case for that matter. Okay, next slide. Color and dhatu relationship. So you can now see violet rasa, indigo rakta, blue mamsa, green meda, yellow asti, orange majja, red is shukra. So relationship between dosha and dhatu, vata is like having rasa, rakta, mamsa, pitta is having meda, asti, kapha, majja, and shukra. So relation between manas and dhatu, sattva is related with rasa, rakta, mamsa, raja is meda, asti, tamas is majja and shukra. So manas and color. So sattva is related to violet, indigo blue, rajas green, yellow, tamas orange, and red. So light, when white light passes through a prism, divided into 7 color. In the same way, we have dhatu, dosha, manas correlated. Now, based on its wavelength. So now you understood the color wave of violet color wavelength. It sync with the rasa wavelength. Okay, in the same way, it relates to the sattva wavelength. So now you each and everything is interrelated. So when we analyze these things, when we understand these things, we'll be able to understand the wavelength. Without patient speaking nothing, you will be able to speak each and every thought process that is occurring in the patient's mind, as well as what the disease he is suffering from now and how he was before in the past 3-4 years back, and after 7 months, what that if in the same way disease progress, after 7 months, what it is going to happen. So you can predict past, present, and future also. So how it is possible to predict all those things? So it is been told in Ayurveda that rajottamobhyam nirmuktaha tapojnana bhalenaye esham trikala jnanam avyahatam sada. Those who are having the what sattva guna, so it is possible for them to elicit all the 3 things. So if you want to see nadi, so we have to be in a correct way, because see, if I'm not doing our atma shuddhi, mano shuddhi, how the negative waves, positive waves will be able to understand? So nadi is moreover to correct ourselves. So I used to look my nadi daily morning, see how I am, what is my psychology. So where we have went wrong, understood? Where we have went wrong, are we are in the proper righteous pathway? So when we understand that of ourselves, so we can understand, no need of doctor telling that you are going to die. So we know that our death pulse also, we can understand, I am going to die, let me die happily. So I have to have to do many things, let me finish. So when we understand all the things, so we will go in a righteous path. So we will get we will have a capacity to give and many doctors in a small young age are dying due to the heart attack. Why? They are in the hospital itself. They have got ECG machine, echo machine, each and everything they have got getting in their hospital itself. But why? They are not able to come out of all the miseries. Why it is so? So when we ask that question, so what I answer is that, so even though many patient will come to us telling for each and every patient you send for MRI, CT scan, X-ray, each and everything. But most of the cases will come that it is normal. Then what you will do? If pain comes, take this medicine. Okay, that's it. No problem. Go happily. Understood? So what is happening? So even though disease now has not manifested in us in a organ wave, it has manifested in the waves. So only we will be able to tell that in 7 months you are getting this disease. Now we understood how we are able to predict the things. So it will start in our manas, it will act in our organs in a such a way that we get
Unmute, please. Joseph.
okay. Are you able to hear me now?
Yeah, yeah, fine.
Okay, fine. So in the same way, so I wanted to tell you is that, see, before we get all the scanning reports, just feel the nadi, understand the things, whether we have to, if it is necessary, only send for scanning. So without that, simply by having stomachache pain, we suggest for UST scanning. So don't be so much this one. So it will save your time. It requires hardly 1 minute or 2 minutes to check the nadi and understand the manas body situation and everything. So why don't you learn this nadi, so that it will for the poor people or for many of the things, some unnecessary harmful X-ray radiation, unnecessary CT ultrasound waves is not necessary for each and every time. It will harm us, no. So what I feel is that, so whether if you are learning this nadi chikitsa, like, so only I'm talking in this broader aspect, so that each and every one should learn, not only Vaidyas, each and every one, so that to understand husband wife relationship, like why have feel our nadi where we are gone wrong, so the relationship will increase. So when we understand, like, today's world, most of the, like, diverse cases, most of the people are sending their parents to the old age home. Why this is happening? Actually, they are not understanding that if I leave my parents to the, old age home, so after that my child will leave me to the same orphanage home. So what I do now, I will get it. So we fail to understand and analyze these things. So when we understand all those things, many conflict, political party, maybe it could be like a relationship between countries, maybe everything could be sought out when we understand ourselves. And when we start loving them, in spite of they are having many disabilities, then what will happen? So he will come up slowly. So if we start blaming him, you are not doing that, you are not doing like that, so that it gives a pinch to the manas, and what will happen? The same thing will repeat even now and then. So we have got a counseling technique in that. So if a child keeps on doing sure, like he's disturbing the class, so what we do, that will not attend him at all. So after that he will come and sit straight correctly. In the same way, so we should not entertain the negative waves, only positive waves should be entertained. Henceforth what will happen? So we start loving, and because when you understand one more thing, so it will be very clear. So we will be having karana manas and karya manas. So this karana manas stays with atma, and when it comes to our body, so it has its past deed. So I remember my one of my professor, he used to tell, he told me, like, when he was 3 years old, he was able to recognize his past janma's wife, his children's, and his father and mother. Like, he was telling very clearly, this village, this place, I got my wife. So they my professor's father and mother took him to that place, and like they are arranged a place that they arranged 10 girls and along with his wife. So called, he used to tell each and everything. So now his father asked, now tell me, who is your wife now? So he just exactly, green sari, come here. So come here, your name. So I have kept one gold coin inside inside our home. I have dug a pit beside the certain place. You go and get it. So they have got it even. So actually they got a attachment, and they were calling daddy, daddy. 30-40 years old daughter was calling daddy, daddy. So it was very much fun, as you think. But later on, he was being carried by her father and mother and left that place. So the thing what we have to understand, that what the intuitions we are having, why the person is drunkard. So we have to accept them as they are, because they are drunkard because not they wanted to drink. The past deeds making them for that. So when when a lady 2 weeks ago, she came to me complaining of disc prolapse and many other problems. So when I inquired her, and when I saw her Nadi, it was very much depressed, and she's getting suicidal thoughts even. So when I inquired about it, she told that my husband is very much drunkard, 24/7, all 365 days he drinks, and he whatever he earns from daily wages, he used to drink, and nothing he will give it to me. So it's very much harassment for me. Likewise, she was telling them how to solve this case then. So when I told her that it is the way, so we have to understand. So only you will be able to understand and make him so comfortable. If you leave him, so he may not sustain. So when I explained all those given Sattva Vajra, she was happy and left happily. And again she came that of all the problems which she had bodily, that was decreased. So what I wanted to tell you, that see the manas, understand the karana manas, why this person is so. When you consciously trigger the factor, consciously trigger to the unconscious mind, then the person will resolve all the internal conflict. Then what will happen? Liberation will happen. So patient, the thought process will change. So he will be happy, and the same disease will not reoccur again and again. So even though what we give assurance, that I will not assure that each and every patient that so this disease will go. So I will tell that if at all the disease will come bhayankara or more serious way of disease or problems which come to you also, you should be able to face that. So that is the code word we are giving to the brain, such that they will get enhanced with all the sattva bala to them, so they can sustain. So color and mood. So you know that violet, happy; indigo, cleansing; blue, pleasant; green, balancing; yellow, guilt; orange, excitement, warmth; red, danger, passion of love, anger. Concept of color healing. If we get fed up in our life, we feel to sit outside. It's a common feeling, no? And when you see sky, when you see sky or green plants, mountain, by knowingly or without knowingly, gives a self color therapy which is embedded within us. So as you see in Vata Vriddhi Lakshanam, so Kashna Kashnarya Gatrakampa Spurna Ushnakamita Nidranasha Ushnakamita. What is this Ushnakamita? Whenever the Vata increases within us, what will happen? There will be starting tremors. So the person feels to drink hot water so as to pacify the Vata. In the same way, we give ourselves with knowing or without knowing, we are doctor for ourselves. So only you have to learn Nadi to understand deeper concept. So as you see, we give ourselves a color therapy. So God created us, moreover, a self doctor. Most of the instincts we get by nature, when Vata is more in our body, we feel like drinking hot water to pacify Vata naturally. So as you see, the chakra also having the same color pattern. It's very astonishing, no? Yeah. Manas and color. Manas travel faster than light, so it can travel with light also. That is, manas have adapted. That is thought is a wave. So if you are of anger, jealous, without knowing, you will be stimulating Mooladhara chakra, which is of red color, more causing increase of tamoguna, means your kapha dosha aggravates, by which Majja and Shukra Dhatu will go for Shoshana, drying up. So when you are angry with someone, you will not be having the good sperm count at all. So when the anger will be a continuous phenomena, so you will not be happy anymore. So we have to leave anger, we have to love our enemies, we have to pray for them. When we have the positive thoughts, the positive thoughts will fill within us and it will go to the other person. When we have the negative thoughts, it will kill us and it will kill them also. So which is better? To be positive. So color therapy. As you can see, violet, the color and the chakra, it has been well understood as I have told earlier itself. So Vata entering into the 7 levels. First level, Vata starts accumulating in the lower abdomen, by which starting emaciation, rukshana, drying up the water content, might lead to constipation and piles. Second level, when Vata enters, straining for few days may lead to further aggravation of Vata. Then we might get addicted to laxative. What will happen when we have constipation? We start taking some powders, Trifara, that, this and everything. What will happen? So that we will get addicted to it. But if it is continuous for a prolonged time, further Vata aggravation will be there. So third level, Vata enters Shira Snayu. Calcium is not absorbed from intestine. People complaining of body pain, joint pain, when they work little, leading to osteoporosis. At this time, we take calcium tablet. What will happen? Further leading to
Dr. Joseph, your network seems to be a little bit disturbed. Voice is not coming properly. Can you just rejoin? There must be some network issue because he's in such a remote place of Chikmagalur district in Karnataka. So network might be a problem. He is not getting even on the phone. We can wait for him for another minute. But whatsoever he has said, it was something very wonderful. Like every disease has some connectivity with the mind. And though there are pathological changes which can be observed in the examinations, investigations, still patients are painless without any problem. And all of a sudden, when something wrong goes on, something happens as a trigger, and his all pain is aggravated. This is nothing but the impact of mind on the physiology and the pathology happening. So this kind of phenomena needed to be explored.
hello, sir. Yeah.
Unmute Dr. Joseph.
Yes. Unmute. Okay. Okay.
You are going very well. It's really wonderful to hear you.
Okay, sir. Okay. So shall we start, sir?
Yeah, please.
So is it? Are you okay?
You are audible to me. You have to share your screen if you want to share the slides.
Yeah. Now it's okay, no?
It's absolutely fine.
Are you, okay. So as you Vata enters fifth level. So what happened? Rakta Dhatu
Your
enters
slides
Rakta
are not
Dhatu. Digestion is
visible.
upset.
Your
Yes,
slides
sir.
are not visible. Slides are not visible.
Not
You cannot
visible, sir.
share the
Okay.
screen.
Okay. Okay. 1 minute, sir. Mm. So, so what I have to do actually? I do not
You
know.
have to share
Not
the
at all
screen.
visible, sir.
Not at all. You have to share the screen.
Okay. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute.
When you got
Um,
disconnected, the screen also get disconnected.
okay. So I think
Yeah,
now I'm
now you
sharing.
are
Now
sharing.
is it okay?
Uh, Yet, now, no, it is now your presentation is not there. Your screen is there. Open up your presentation.
Okay. 1 minute. So
Yes.
now is it okay?
Yeah, it is
Ah,
okay.
okay. Fine. No, now it's okay. Yeah. So when Vata enters sixth level, when enters Meda and Asti, the person will start losing osteoporosis, plantar fasciitis, pathological fracture of bone, keeps on grumbling, pralapa, don't care others, will be selfish, get dreams of flying in the air, loses the hope in doctor, does shopping of the doctor. At this stage, don't give kashaya, give Anta prayoga. Seventh level, when Vata enters Majja and Shukra, blood formed will be decreased, pricking pain all over the body. So feeling of emptiness, hair fall, demineralization of bone, disc protrusion, nerve congestion, complaining of infertility, missing periods, PCOD, endometriosis. All things will happen. So when I just give a question for you, like if a patient comes for any of disease without understanding his manas, without correcting his thinking process, how we will be able to like cure the from the base. So we are giving medicines for all the diseased organ, not for the manas. So please, for each and every person, that could be an allopathy doctor, an Ayurvedic, homeopathy, each and everyone. So understanding the manas and treating the manas is much more superior than any other treatment existing in the world. So that could be any treatment you might tell me. So moreover, it's everything start from the manas itself. So without manas, if you tell the patient that no, I will try, the patient will come of like snake bite or anything, let me try, there is no hope at all, okay, let me try and I'll give the best, I will do the best, means patient will get afraid. And before, even though you give a better, the best treatment possible in the world, the possibility of patient sustaining was very, very, very high, but still what happens, patient will die because of your word, what you are told, let me try means you will fail. You should not tell that you should try, you will. So when you give a confidence in such a way that he will be happy to listen you and he will cooperate for each and everything. So when he have got bala, and we can, even though we know that we might die in a few days or few months, we should not tell him, and we tell that remove your all manasika disgusting factors, so that at least we should know that by relieving all the negative thoughts, at least his soul might attain the peace. Understood? So once what happened, when I started my practice in 2010, one patient came to me, 72 years old man, complaining of cardiac problem, and she showed all this echo report, which it was like, every walls case, everything was gone, nothing was perfect. So in one of the big hospital, they told that this person will sustain only for 2 months. So, and when I gave assurance to him, I was able to maintain for 1.5 years. And once the condition went very much wrong, so I just referred to some other doctors. So what happened when I incurred recently 2 weeks back? So how is your father? After 10 years, so he told that last year November he died, sir. So who has told that, like big doctors, cardiologists told that he will live only for 2 months. He lived up to 10 years. So who are we to tell to the date and the time of the death? So even though if you know, please don't tell to the patient directly. To you ask them to have a beautiful life, enjoy each and every day, each and every minute, which you may not get in the future. That's, you have to be like, I and you yourself all should be get ready for our death, because when we feel that tomorrow is my death, so I will cleanse myself. Okay, so I will not do much bad things. Okay, so I will be very much righteousness in the sense. So it should be in that concept. So nadi of Arishad Varga, Kama. So you see the Kafanadi. So Arishad Varga, Kama. So right Kafanadi of right hand. I have told no, right hand Kafanadi means this part. This one. This is Kafanadi. So you will be having Kama Rasa, Krodha Rakta, Lobha Mamsa, Mada Meda, Moha Asti, Matsarya Majja, willfully. So when you understand the 7 levels, so where it is affected, when you understand the things, it will be very easy to understand that manas and to tell so which wavelength and which disease you are suffering from. So I am just telling a brief things. So much deeper analyzing factors are there to understand, analyze more things, so that it could be dealt in future classes. So there has this is an introductory class. I am like now only we are short of time. As it was told, is on class, and we are like running short of time. So let me finish the slides. Link between light, manas, and dhatu is well clear. So light here it is there. Krodha, rasa, size, rakta, mamsa. It's everything. It's clearly told. So Arishad Vargas, after effect leading to Kama. After effect, what will happen? Failure, like love failure, suffering, Krodha, anxiety and Lobha, betrayal, downfall, Mada, arrogance, inability to learn, relationship will fall, Moha, sad, depression, pain, Matsarya, insecurity, doubt. Some person will having the doubt. Hello, can you hear me? Yeah. Some person will start doubting his wife. Yeah, start doubting his wife. However, we tell him, no, she's perfectly alright, no, nothing. Give an evidence. No, he will not give an evidence. He tell that she's like, she is having a doubt. Let's see what happened, which is that level. So he is not able to understand his thoughts, and it's something like, spider web. So where you will like when you fall into this Kama Krodha Mada Matsarya, you will not be able to remove from yourself. You're not able to come out. Someone has to take that fly or housefly from the web, and we have to release it up. So analyzing the Dhatu has told that how the levels are there, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. So Vata Nadi, so what it signifies, Rasa signifies large intestine, Vata Nadi of right hand, that is, this is right hand, and Vata Nadi is the thing which you are going to feel the first thing. So what it is still Rakta, duodenum, Mamsa, pancreas, Meda, lungs, Asti, calcium absorption, first part of the small intestine, Majja, parietal peritoneum, Shukra, prostate. So understand all those things, no? You will be easily able to diagnose the disease, understand the waves of manas. So it's very clearly evident. Pitta Nadi. So in the same way, I have enumerated all those things. Rasa, stomach, rakta, intensity factor. If I want to elaborate, it takes much time. So I just am going fast. Kapha Nadi also, it is being there. You can take a screenshot and you can keep it. Vata Nadi. So in the same way, I have put each and everything. It's by practice and learning various system of medicine like acupuncture, marmam, drone. And in my experience, I have put all those things. So Pitta Nadi, you can take. So Shukra, last epididymis or infeasible problem. Kapha Nadi, Rasa relates to urinary bladder, Rakta, pituitary gland, Mamsa, adrenal gland, Meda, kidney, Asti. So when you have the renal calculi in this Meda, so when there will be M type of waves, so interrupted waves, so that you can understand there could be calculi. So understanding Nadi. When we say heart pumps, what Ayurveda says is Hridaya. It receives and supplies. Rasa and Rakta, seat of Vyanavata, which moves all over the body to supply all dhatus. Here, you have to understand one thing. If kidney starts to do its work properly, uric acid nor creatine level will be normal. So this action is functional aspect of kidney. Say for example, if it is grade 1 parenchymal changes started in kidney, we call it as anatomical change. So if you have to believe that before the damage of renal cell, there is a functional change, like I have mentioned, release of more creatine. So if you have to believe that for having functional change, there will be some cause. According to you, what could be the cause? That you are not able to diagnose. At this point of time, if blood tests are tested, it will be normal, but the functional disturbance from first level started. When it reaches up to 7th level, then only functional damage is noticed. That is the significance of NADI. So before having the renal damage or before getting the heart attack, we will be able to understand, analyze that you will be having heart attack in 7 months. You will be having renal failure in 7 months. Please change your thought behavior. Take these medicines, so you'll be okay. So which is better, for taking 3-4 lakhs and giving some angioplasty and telling that it may not help, or like, you know, it's like a last stage. So let us not take to that stage. So let us diagnose before and treat before itself. So in brief, the process of damage of kidney from first level of unseen signs and symptoms to 7th level of no blood marker are positive at this moment. So each organ has 7-layer protection. If you are able to notice by NADI, the retrieval of patient is very easy. So after getting the renal grade 3 parenchymal changes, you will not be able to do much. So if you are able to notice and understand before 7 months itself, so it's very easy. So NADI gives an idea of early prevention and diagnosis. U-shaped wave. So wave pattern, increased dosha, as I have told here, increased dosha. So as I told, M wave, that is M wave, that is obstruction of dosha. So one more wave, it is something like this. Vata is trying to pass, but not able to, like when uterus removed, it is called as kicking pulse. So Vata is not able to pass through that. So we will get a kicking pulse like this. As you kick your leg, no, it gives a no pulse. You will be feeling here. You will be feeling like this. No pulse over here. Kicking pulse, what you call. Manas is a driver. So it controls the brain, and brain controls our body. So Manas is a hero, because the most of the big portion of our body is being controlled by Manas, and Manas is like an ocean. Okay. So if you treat the Manas, Manas is a hero. Manas will control each and everything. Waves of dosha, as you see. So dosha and Manas link. Vata related to Sattva, Pitta related to Rajas, and Kapha related to Tamas. So when Tamas, we start the Kama, Krodha, Mada, Matsarya, Tama will start to increase in our body. That causes the Pitta to decrease. So when Rajas does the imbalance, so it causes Vata to aggravate. This for the disease starts. Link between Dhatu, Dosha and Manas, as I have told. Sapta Dhatu tends to decrease. When Dosha will increase, Manas also will decrease by its nature, and the disease, the category 4, we will get the disease. Link between Dhatu and Manas, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, and the same way I had told in the previous slide. Activation and depleting time. And this is very much important. How you were able to tell that since how many months, how many days you are suffering from such a matika or mental confusions, Kama, Krodha, Mada, Matsarya. So by going through this chart, you will be easily able to recognize and tell that patient from these many months, these many days, you are suffering from these many problems. It has been done. So it will be very, like, you will be able to enter the subconscious level of a patient. In NADI, if you are press to 7 levels, you will be able to see 3 dosha and 3 manasika doshas. So interlink between tamas and doshas. So when the tamas is like a web, so when you are going into the web of the spider web, mosquito cannot, if it is like, got caught into that web, it will be not able by itself, it cannot come outside. So you have to give Sattva Vajaya Chikitsa to them. If it thinks that, okay, what doctor is fine, okay, we have to make him to think in that way, then the problem is solved. Tamas is the base for Raja and Sattva. When it shakes, category 4, disease manifest. So that's what. So the basic thing is that our thoughts, negative thoughts, if it comes means related to Tamas, when Tamas shakes off, then Pitta or Rajas will getting shake and we will get the disease. Mechanism of manifestation of disease. As Tamaguna increases, depletion of Dhatu will occur from Shukra Dhatu. As Prakruta Kapha decreases, Dushta Kapha increases and Srotas get blocked. as Vayu gets obstructed, takes Pitta to the Kafasthana for doing the Vilayana of Sroto Vaigunya and Avarana, but it is a natural process by which body corrects itself. That's the mechanism. So if you are like, affected by any depression, we don't feel like taking food. So what will happen? So we will be having Langana, fasting. Okay, at that time, the Pitta will settle by itself, thinking that, it will get okay. Then hunger will start. So this is self-correcting mechanism. But still, negative waves of mind is so intense that will make further block by which Pitta starts losing its guna and become Manda. So after that only we will be having disease. Because of still Vata will sustain to decrease its potentiality, landing up in drying up the rest of the dhatus like one man army. Soon gets exhausted and Vata Shaya happens, leading to death. Sattva, Tama respectively nadi in the disease. As you can see, Sattva, it goes down. So Pitta will be getting increased of initially, as the Tamoguna will increase and it comes lower. Waves of Manas. So treatment of Manas. When the Tamas starts, the starting point of, that is the starting point of the disease. Find the starting point, reverse it by changing the thought process, by analyzing the disease and need of changing the thought for getting cure of the disease. So if you want to tell the patient, see, if you want to get rid of this problem, what you should do? You should change your thought set, or else what will happen? The same disease repeats and repeats, and you do not blame me anymore. So, example, one lady came to me complaining of piles, but she was very much sad of her husband having extramarital affair, but she was not telling that. Likewise, she came to me complaining of piles. When I understood the nadi and when I asked her, so she denied initially, but later on she told that this is the problem. So now we understood what is the relevance of mind. So each and every disease will have the relevance of mind. So go and understand that mind and correct it from that way, then that the problem will be solved. In the same way, one more patient, she had come 60 years complaining of knee joint. When I asked that, she will be having, when I saw the nadi, she had suicidal thoughts. So, and when I asked her, she was very much depressed. She has one daughter died and her husband also died. And now she's living alone. So that made her to think in this way. Sattva Jaya Chikitsa. As I have been completely telling throughout the class that the importance of the Sattva Jaya Chikitsa. That's what I have been written here. Counseling and psychotherapy, the way, it's a big topic. Dimension of Sattva Jaya Chikitsa, how we have to recover the patient. So line of treatment, improve his uplifting his intelligence, so judgment and all those things. So concepts is, imagine body is like chariot, 5 senses are like horse, the mind is like a rein, and only holding the rein firmly one can keep body in control. So control all the pancha jnanendriya, okay, then your mind will be in control as you are controlling the horse of the chariot. If you do not control these 5 senses, mind will drag us that way itself. If you are looking at a beautiful lady and if you are following her, so mind will take her to her direction itself. So you lose appetite, you lose whatever the daily routines that you want to do, and you go likewise. Okay. So have the control of your mind and succeed. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much,
Any questions?
Dr. Joseph. It was a wonderful presentation.
Yes, sir.
And I'm sure that everybody who is present here or on YouTube and Facebook have seen the variations, what you have said about understanding the mind, identifying the deep-rooted causes which are causing the disease and which may manifest in future, or the cause which has been in roots years ago, which has come today with you in the patient as a disease process. So, as you have said, the pulse is like Trikaladarshi. It can tell you about past, it can tell you about present, and it can tell you about future. But only thing is, you have to be cautious and cautiously access the pulse at various level. those who want to learn this technique of understanding the pulse and managing it through Sattva Vajay Chikitsa can either call Dr. Joseph or can send me a message. We are all ready to help you out. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody for being present here. And I really want to thank Dr. Joseph for providing such a wonderful insight. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
So the webinar stand. Any questions? Please, if you have any questions, you are able to ask. Please do ask. Can you just stop sharing, Joseph?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, Sunil.
Yes, sir.
Unmute. You have to unmute first.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my question is this, that this Nari Chikitsa, what Dr. Joseph sir told, this is really quite wonderful. I want to know one thing more, that is air reversal into central channel possible through this, mean to say this psycho aspect, metaphysical aspect of the Nari. Can it be reverted into central channel, Ila and Pingla air, as a deep meditation impacted within the circuit of mind?
Actually, all the waves start from the manas itself, positive, negative, everything. So what will happen if the patient has any problem with, like, is depressed or sad? So that is a temporary wave. That is not permanent wave. So whenever you give a Sattva Jaya Chikitsa, immediately within 5 to 10 minutes, you can feel the waves boosting up, coming up. So you can see in the instant time, the stroke patient one had come visited to me 2 weeks ago. Since 8 months, he was not able to flex his hand. So immediately within 20 minutes after the treatment, he was able to flex his hand. From where it has come? So the patient, like one of the MBBS doctor who was attending my camp in one of the church, we had done previously 1 week before, he has he has given a testimony that how wonderfully the swelling, the joint pain, and you can see my YouTube channel also. One patient he had came to me for the video shoot of my Nadi talk, as I am conducting the Nadi class. So I got students over this seminar also. So he came to me like telling that he has got tennis elbow. So when I understood that he has got depression, so I give him a Sattva Jaya Chikitsa, that's it. So he is telling in a beautiful way that, so within 5 to 10 minutes, his pain, swelling, everything went off. Now you can ask his Photoshop is opposite to my clinic, and you can ask him anytime. So now he's happy and no pain at all. So how it was able to possible, and how the nadis, by giving Sattva Jaya Chikitsa, immediately we can understand that. So it's very much fast, as you see in the depletion time. If you activate the manas, what will happen within minutes? It will increase. The dhatu level will increase. The mindset, that is the mind power. That is the strength of the Nadi Chikitsa. Without understanding the Sattva Jaya Chikitsa, no, don't go and ever hurt the patient. Why you are having suicidal thoughts? Don't ask this question, because that will further aggravate his thought, and he might go to some other level. Because without understanding, after understanding Nadi, you have to understand to give the Sattva Jaya Chikitsa, then only Nadi Chikitsa will be complete, or else it will be incomplete and you are impairing the person's mind. So immediately you can see disease will decrease, joint pain will decrease, disc prolapse patient pain will go, and gastric whatever the problem the patient has come, the problem will be resolved 50 to 60% the moment you speak itself. And whatever after that, whatever treatment you want to give, a drone maybe, acupuncture maybe, or marma chikitsa maybe, or whatever the physiotherapy, whatever you want to give, you give later to the body. First you have to treat the manas and increase the Sattva Jaya Chikitsa and his manobala. Then you give at that time Ida, Pingala, all Sushumna Nadi will be activated. It starts moving, and the energy will start from Mooladhara Chakra to Sahasrara Chakra. So you will be understand. If patient does not understand your concept, if you are not he is not irritated to you or not analyzing, when you feel the nadi, you can understand, this patient has ignored all your thoughts. So most of the times, what I mean, my experience, all patient is able to understand, and they will analyze, and they will come up with the positive results. No one till now has failed with Sattva Vajaya Chikitsa. So
Joseph,
it will be
there
very
are-
difficult for few philosophers, like, quite days back, one of the nun, like, sister, they used to read more Bible, and they know all the technical terms of Bible when they came. So it was a bit difficult for me initially to tell that this is a negative wave. So it is something, when you understand the Sattva Vajaya in a deeper sense, it's not a difficult at all.
Joseph, there is
Any
another
questions?
question by
Yeah.
Dr. Ranjit.
Okay.
How can one find suicidal tendency within the pulse of a particular person?
Yeah, it's very easy. So as I have elaborated all this, Rasa Rakta Mamsa, I have elaborated colors and what color which leads to what. So I have elaborated, if you just go through the slides once more, so you'll be able to understand where the suicidal thoughts will come. And the waves I told, this is normal wave, this is malnourished wave, this is like the thought obstruction wave. So by which you will be able to understand why, like, you have to feel the nadi. So many a times, great personalities had come to check the nadi. Like if you see them, they are very great. And when I tell them that you are having this problem, they burst up into tears. So it's possible that if I go to a swimming class, so it's not necessary that you have to take your hand, do like this, like this. It's a theory class. So go to your patient, go to your family, understand, analyze the things. Then only you're able to understand what and how. Then later we will be there for your support. You can call me or neither Dr. Sandesh sir for help. We'll be able to help you on this.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you, Dr. Joseph.
Excuse me.
See you sometime. Yeah, Achina.
Sir, I just wanted to see the Kapaja side once again on in the right hand.
It will be available on our my YouTube channel, and Dr. Joseph's YouTube channel too. So you can check it out on the Nadi Guru channel because right now to go back all slides will take long time. It will be available
Oh,
right
okay,
now.
okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Let us here stop for the webinar. Thank you, everybody. See you sometime soon.
Okay, thank you. Bye.